In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a new team member into your Zoho Books account and give them access to the areas they need. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books organization with an account that has permission to manage users. Once you're on your Zoho Books dashboard, look for the Settings option. Depending on your screen size, this is usually found as a gear icon, often in the top right or bottom left corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your configuration options live, including user management. Inside the settings page, you'll see a number of sections for different features. What you want to look for is the Users section. This is where you control who has access to your Zoho Books account and what they're allowed to do. Click on Users to open the User Management panel. Here, you'll see a list of all the people who currently have access to your Zoho Books organization, along with their roles and status. To add a new employee, look for the button or link labeled Invite User. It's usually located near the top right area of the Users page. Click on Invite User to open the invitation form. Now you'll be asked to fill in the details for the employee you want to add. Typically, you'll enter information like their name and email address, and then choose a role or set of permissions for them. Take a moment to think about what this person needs to do in Zoho Books. For example, if they handle only expenses or invoices, you may not want to give them full administrative access. Select the role that best fits their responsibilities and double check the email address you've entered. This is important because Zoho Books will send the invitation to that email and the employee will use it to accept and create their login. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, click on Send Invite. Zoho Books will send an email invitation to the employee.